Alright, we're over here at the spot, and we got here kind of late because of being lazy, irresponsible. So we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. It is trout season, and it also is duck season, and I hear some duck calls. So hopefully we don't get blasted today. Yo! Soft plastic?
Yeah.
Probably a red, right there by that pole. Maybe a flounder.
That's probably like a red.
Maybe a big trout, dude. I've definitely caught them like that. They feel like red sometimes. Let me go behind you, Josh. All my homies YouTubers. That's a trout.
It was just a good trout.
Let's see. I told you. Yeah, why are you not using a net, dude?
I don't have my net.
Oh my god. Here. Hey!
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Let me see him. Put him out to the cam. Put him out to the cam. Hurry before the sun. Yo, dude.
That's healthy, guy.
Nice.
There, Gonna swim off strong. Oh, this bastard.
He almost lost the grips. You swim?
Good to go. There he goes.
Yo. Good job.
That's gonna be knocking them bass assassins.
I like saltwater assassin. I just like Z-Man more. I used to use electric chicken saltwater assassins non-stop, bro, because they're tiny.
Yeah.
Try it for the one time, Woo! There we go. That's a big trout. Yo. Yo, I think it is. Oh my god, it is. Big. It's either the same size or bigger than Rudy's. Oh. Oh, he's barely hooked. He splashed water in my eye. Oh my god. He sees the net, bro. Ooh. Yo! Oh shoot, dude, what? I think I got you beat, Rudy. I think I got you beat. Yeah. He's hooked. His hook's pretty good. He got one treble, but it got twisted up in his lip, you know? Dude, this fish is nice.
That was on top water?
Yeah. The bite was insane. Let me get my hand wet. Josh, look. I think it's like a 23, 24. Yes. Oops. Look at this. Ooh, it's a Hobie board. 22 3/4. 22 3/4. Look at this fish, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. I haven't checked the lens yet, but let's get him a go. Dude. Alright, I'm gonna try taking him off the fish grips. Pushing him a little bit. There it goes. It's kind of an ugly release, but I saw him kicking at least. That's all that matters. Oh, there we go. Oh, hey buddy. Dude, the water's so clear. Decent trout. Let's get you back in the water, buddy. Not a bad fish. I think he might be right at keeper size. I don't know. There, buddy. I think there's a lot of bait over here. There we go. Oh, big trout. Not like crazy, but good. What's up, buddy? Look at the mouth on this guy. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill, my guy. We're gonna get you back in the water. Later, buddy. Damn.
Hey, bro, I heard that. I heard that drag.
That was all hook set, baby. I think my hook is dull. So I think my hook is dull. Oh, there we go. That's a big fish. Oh, that's a big fish. That is a very big fish. I'm gonna follow him so he doesn't burn out my drag. Dude, he's gonna freaking burn out my drag. It's a big old red, dude. Yeah, big. I can't tell. Like 26. It's not that big. Oh, whoa. What? No. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna net him. I don't want to lose my lure. Oh, you're fat. Oh my gosh. This is what I needed in the Hobie tournament right here. All right, got the hook out. Look at that fish. Heck yeah. All right, let's get him released. You ready, buddy? Man, he gone. That was on the, I think this is a 1/4 ounce Sexy Penny diesel minnow. Jeez, that tail's jacked up. Look at it's got like some chomps out of it. But yeah, awesome color, awesome lure. Let's see if we can catch some more. All right, so we got the Z-Man Minnow Z, or minnows. And I'm thinking it's gonna be the move. It's got a super small profile, super kicking paddly tail. Oh, there we go. Knew it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Right when I was talking about it too. Later, buddy.